Hello, I'm Massimiliano Curto, an engineer of 31 years old. I'm expert in new mobility services and project management and leading the MoveUp team.
Hello, I'm Nicole, I'm 30 years old. I work at the Politecnico di Torino as a researcher. In 2010 I founded Associazione Corrente in Movimento, which promotes sustainable mobility, and I'm CEO at Equalcubo in Italy.
Hi, I'm Luca, 30 years old, electronic engineer, expert in ICT and in operational research. I am in charge in the digital development.
Hi, I'm Giuseppe, a computer science student. I'm currently working with the MoveUp project and designing the website, then moving to design the app. My goal is to make a good looking and easy to use service.
Hi, I'm Filippo Arbinone, engineering freshman, photographer by passion, and member of the newborn MoveUp team. Our story began 2 years ago when 4 friends of mine and I took part in the Eager Motion Challenge, which we won in November 2013. We had to find, study and solve a mobility issue within our region. Though baffling at times, we carried on with grit and eventually won the European finals. Now, it might sound like one of those boring, successful stories everyone tries to brag about, but well, we are a little bit different. We didn't stop there. With a huge support from the Politecnico di Torino, we further developed the project, and here we are today. 2 years later, with a new team composed by experienced and skilled Italians ready to make a breakthrough. Our project is called MoveUp, and we usually describe it as a real-time ride-sharing service. In a nutshell, MoveUp is a service accessible both from PC and mobile app that allows users to share a ride for short travel distances, both planning it ahead of time or with a single tap when needed. The theme of eco-sustainability has always been and will always be rather difficult to teach to new generations, reason why services like carpooling never took off in our country. Therefore, we thought about going around this problem, making fun and coolness the keywords of this project. We are partnering with event organizers and popular leisure destinations so that more and more people will use our service. Furthermore, driver and passenger will share the travel expenses that the app automatically calculates following the national charts. Our guys are developing an efficient security system and a fast payment service based on the latest technologies. With the help of Speed Up Europe and the support of Fireware technology, we could definitely grow our potential, which in this last month has already increased thanks to a deal with Intesa Sanpaolo and Telecom Italia.